After the introduction of the T20 format in the past few years, it has become evident that the Test format is now in danger of facing away, with more and more nations taking to the shorter and much exciting format of T20. But the former Indian cricketer VVS Lakshman stressed the need for youngsters to take Test cricket seriously, and he applauded the efforts of the BCCI for helping Test cricket regain its lost glory. The stylish Hyderabadi cricketer believes that every format has its own positives and negatives. According to him, every player doesn't have the same skills to perform in every format.
That's what. Every format requires a different kind of skill. That's why every format has its got its own pluses and minuses.
The 38-year-old cricketer stressed the need for youngsters to take Test cricket seriously. According to him, playing for the country should be priority for any young cricketer.
A challenge. Without a doubt, that's a challenge, and that's where the BCCI should make sure that, again, it comes about priority. It's a tough question, it's a tough situation to be in because IPL, while it's a BCCI tournament, but it's run by 9 franchise owners. And obviously, the franchise owner, it's a different product altogether. Yeah. But saying that the priority for a young cricketer should be first, number one, is to play for the country and then perform in IPL or other.
However, he also applauded the efforts of BCCI for taking serious steps to save the oldest format of the game.
And I think BCCI are already taking various decisions to make sure that Test cricket remains the most important type of cricket. And they're making they're taking some important decisions to make sure that Test cricket retains its glory.